What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I want to do a talking video on the Traxxas Mini Max 4-wheel drive truck, which I hope at some point is that will be used either this weekend or next weekend, because it is going to get nice again, you see, because you may expect it on this machine, because it definitely looks up a nice looking machine might be, because I do like this machine a lot, so this thing will definitely be using it this weekend again. And you can see, I did have to tighten this bolt up because the thing was starting to get loose, you can see, which is, because you see how I expected it to be, because because the body was broken, the thing was broken, the thing was controlled as it still does that shut off, you can see it has a sensor, I think, you see, because it's how I expected this machine, you see, because the time this thing has been used almost better, so I hope at some point it's able to be used again this weekend, at some point. I was going to have to wait till like next week until March or something, because March is coming up some point, so I expected this thing, you see, because it definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, so it will definitely be using it this weekend again. I'm hoping somebody is able to use it this weekend, because I haven't been doing it because it's been so muddy and cold, you can see, which is, well, it's better out this machine, you can see, because you say, I mean, look at the size, because it is covered in some mud, you can see, which it's not that bad in my opinion, but it's something like this mud, you can see, but it definitely looks something, and it's a nice looking machine in my opinion. In my opinion, so that will be using this weekend again, or I hope some point I say that will be using it this weekend, because I expected this machine, you can see, because I do like this machine a lot, so this thing that will be using it this weekend, because I expected this thing, you can see, because I do like this machine a lot, because you see that you get today, you see it is covering some mud, you can see, which is not that bad in my opinion. So in my opinion, so this thing that will be using it this weekend, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, this thing that will be using it this weekend, so it's definitely how much I expected this machine, so you can see, because it's not bad looking machine in my opinion, so this thing that will be using it this weekend, so it's very how I expected this machine, you can see, because it definitely looks something a nice looking machine in my opinion. And what I expected this thing, you can see, which is definitely how much I expected this machine, which is this thing needs to use almost like quite a bit, because you see I expected this machine, you can see, because it's definitely how much I expected this machine, so it's definitely will probably get used again this weekend. And don't surprise to see, you see how much I expected this machine, it definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, so this thing that will definitely be using it this weekend, and it's definitely will be a nice will get used again this weekend.